So now that we did all the short videos of the 3 dishes, we decided to put them all into one video. So this way you have all 3 recipes or all 3 dishes in one spot. Thank you, enjoy.
Well, today we're making a Caribbean dish. It is Apollo Guisado, a Puerto Rican style chicken, and rice and beans with a side of sauteed zucchini.
Okay, and we're gonna do this in 3 parts. So we'll do it in 3 short videos. So part 1 will be the chicken, part 2 will be the rice, and part 3 will be the zucchini. Let's get to it.
All right.
I have here cleaned leg quarters. I have about 8 pounds here.
Put all of the ingredients here in this bowl. My sofrito, the olive oil, the butter, my lemon and orange juice. Put all my dry seasonings.
2 teaspoons of salt, pepper, garlic, and paprika.
Very important, sazon. All the ingredients together with a whisk. And if you like sazon, by all means, add more sazon. Over your chicken, you want to pour this marinade seasoning all over the chicken. I'm going to work that seasoning in.
I'm going to roast it in this pan. Here I have baby potatoes, carrots. I have onion, pepper strips here.
I'm going to transfer my chicken into the pan right over the vegetables. And now I'm going to make sure all of these good seasoning and this marinade goes right into the pan. Thyme sprigs.
I'm going to roast this chicken for 2 hours. Cover it for the first hour, then remove. So the chicken here is getting close to done. Cooking with the lid off. So I'm making sure every 20 to 30 minutes I go in and I do some basting on the chicken so that it doesn't dry out.
Okay, now I'm gonna do the taste test for the chicken. Delicious.
So let's get to part 2 of making the rice.
Now I'm going to make some Puerto Rican style rice and peas. So I have here in the skillet here some olive oil warming up with some salt, pepper. I have some sazon seasoning, some adobo, and garlic powder. About 2 teaspoons each I have in the pan here. So I have the seasonings warming up. I'm going to add about a half cup of sofrito. I have some washed rice here. I'm going to add my rice in there. Add 1 can of pigeon peas. I have here 2 quarts of chicken stock. Mix it around. I'm going to cover it and let cook down on medium-high heat.
Since we did 3 videos to make this meal, do the taste test for the rice. Okay? Love that flavor, nice and seasoned.
Now let's get to part 3 of making the squash and zucchini.
Finally.
Yes.
About a 1/2 inch slice. I have a 1/4 cup of olive oil and a 1/2 stick of butter melting here in the saute pan. I have a tablespoon of minced garlic. I have a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and Italian seasoning. I will be adding 2 bell peppers and an onion slice. Start warming up my garlic and add the seasoning. Add your peppers and your onions. So you're going to cook down until it's softened. So this will shrink down as it cooks. And at the end you can always adjust your salt and pepper by adding it to taste. And there you have it. Enjoy.
Now let's do the taste test for the zucchini, squash, and peppers. Nice and soft, nice flavor.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, or leave a comment.